Honey, shall we put a security camera on the flower rack next to the swimming pool?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. I think we also need to buy a corner mount camera and place it outside the upstairs room.
No problem.
Oh yeah, fine, thank you. Oh my god, it's you? My parents can see you. Please go away right now, please.
What about the front door? We could see whoever comes to the door.
No problem. You know where's Lucky? Do you want Lucky to be here? Lucky, Lucky! Where are you?
Come here, Lucky.
Lucky! Come here, Lucky. We can put them wherever we want. We should buy one for our parents.